In just 10 minutes, you can begin to cleanse the clutter from your mind and restore a sense of peace and balance to your day. Meditation is not just a spiritual practice, it's a practical tool for clearing away the fog of everyday stress and grounding yourself in calmness. Today, we'll explore how a brief meditation can be incredibly effective in achieving mental clarity, focusing first on understanding what mental clutter really means, and then diving into the benefits of meditation for mental health. Mental clutter refers to the disarray of thoughts and worries that often crowd our minds, making it difficult to think clearly or make decisions. It's like having a messy room in your mind where everything is out of place, and finding what you need becomes a daunting task. This clutter can stem from various sources: the pressures of work, relationship dynamics, personal aspirations, or even the constant bombardment of information from social media and news outlets. To tackle this, it's essential to first recognize the types of thoughts contributing to your mental clutter. Ask yourself, what are the recurring themes in your worries or stress? Are they realistic concerns or hypothetical scenarios that may never occur? Identifying these can be the first step in cleaning up the mental mess. Just as you would start by picking up clothes off the floor when cleaning a room, addressing the most obvious and easily solvable worries first can create a domino effect, helping clear the way for tackling more complex issues. Turning to meditation, it's helpful to understand its profound impact on our mental well-being. Scientific studies have consistently shown that meditation can significantly reduce stress. By engaging in meditation, you allow your mind to pause from the chaos of daily thinking, which lowers your stress hormones like cortisol and enhances your overall emotional resilience. This resilience is your psychological ability to adapt to stress and bounce back from adversity. Meditation enhances self-awareness. It helps you become more aware of your thought patterns, which can lead to better management of your emotions. For example, recognizing that you tend to worry about unmet deadlines can prompt you to develop more effective time management skills or more realistic planning habits. Improved self-awareness also means you can better understand what triggers your stress and how to avoid or modify these triggers. Regular meditation practice, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day, can lead to long-term benefits for your mental health. It trains your brain to focus more effectively, improves your concentration, and boosts your mood by increasing the production of feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Essentially, meditation helps create a healthier mind, fostering an environment where positivity can thrive over the clutter of negativity. By integrating just a small segment of meditation into your daily routine, you can begin to see profound changes not just mentally, but also emotionally and physically. As we continue to explore these techniques, remember that the goal is not to completely empty your mind, but to manage the clutter more effectively, allowing you to face each day with renewed clarity and calmness. To make the most out of your meditation practice, the setting in which you meditate plays a crucial role. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a small corner of your room, a dedicated meditation space, or even a peaceful spot outdoors. The key is consistency. Try to use the same space regularly to establish a calm zone that your mind associates with meditation. Next, consider the ambience of your environment. Soft, natural lighting can be soothing, so if possible, allow gentle sunlight to fill the room or use lamps that emit a soft glow. This helps ease the mind into a relaxed state more readily than harsh lighting. Controlling noise can greatly enhance your meditation experience. If complete silence isn't possible, consider using a white noise machine or a background sound, like soft rain, ocean waves, or even a slow, rhythmic piece of music without lyrics. These sounds can significantly drown out distracting noises and help you focus. Once your environment is set, focus on your breathing, which is foundational in meditation for calming the mind. Start with deep, slow breaths to signal to your body that it's time to relax. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your chest and belly to rise as you fill your lungs. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your body naturally relax with each breath out. Repeat this several times, focusing on the rhythm of your breath. This breathing technique, often called diaphragmatic breathing, helps reduce the fight or flight response of your body and promotes a state of calm. By concentrating on your breath, you're also helping your mind to anchor itself in the present moment, preventing it from wandering to the clutter of past worries or future anxieties. Practice this for a few minutes at the start of your meditation. You'll notice that as your breath becomes slower and deeper, your mind starts to settle. This is the perfect foundation for moving into a deeper state of meditation, where you can effectively cleanse your mind and find the tranquility you're seeking. With your environment prepared and your breath steadying your nerves, you can now transition into a guided visualization aimed at cleansing your mind. Visualization is a powerful meditation tool that involves picturing a peaceful setting in your mind's eye, creating a mental escape that aids in clearing mental clutter. Start by closing your eyes and imagining yourself in a serene environment, a quiet forest, a deserted beach, or a tranquil garden. Imagine the details vividly, the colors, the sounds, and the scents. For instance, if you choose a forest, visualize the green leaves, the texture of the bark, the soft, earthy path under your feet, and the gentle rustle of the wind. This detailed imagery engages your mind in a positive way, redirecting it from stressful thoughts. While looking into this scene, envision a gentle rain beginning to fall. See it washing away the clutter, the worries, and the stresses from your mind. Each drop that hits the ground carries away a bit of mental noise, leaving behind a cleaner, clearer landscape. Continue this visualization for several minutes, allowing the serenity of the scene to infuse your mind with calm and peace. Transitioning from visualization, it's crucial to bring your attention to the present moment, which is a core aspect of meditation. This focus on the now helps in maintaining the clarity and calm achieved during visualization. To enhance your present moment awareness, gently shift your focus to your physical sensations and the sounds around you. Feel the air on your skin, the surface beneath you, and any tastes or smells in your environment. Listen to the subtle sounds of your surroundings, the distant noises or the quiet within your room. Each sensory experience anchors you more deeply in the present. Practicing this focus doesn't require constant, intense concentration. Instead, it involves a gentle awareness of what is happening around you without any judgment or reaction. If your mind starts to wander back to past or future concerns, acknowledge these thoughts calmly and bring your attention back to your sensory experiences. This process not only helps in reducing the impact of negative thoughts, but also enhances your ability to concentrate and stay grounded in stressful situations. The next vital step in your meditation practice is learning to let go of negative thoughts. As you become more attuned to your internal environment and present experiences, you'll likely notice various thoughts that try to vie for your attention. These can range from mundane concerns to deeper worries. The key is not to fight these thoughts, but rather to acknowledge them and let them pass without attachment. Begin this process by visualizing each thought as a leaf floating down a river. As it approaches, observe it without judgment and then watch it drift away slowly. This practice is rooted in mindfulness, which encourages an observer's perspective on your thoughts. By detaching from the outcome or emotional weight of these thoughts, you empower yourself to maintain peace and prevent your mind from getting mired in negativity. The ability to let go is essential because it helps prevent the accumulation of mental clutter. Instead of holding on to every thought or worry, you learn to discern which thoughts serve you and which do not. This discernment allows you to clear out mental space, making room for more positive and constructive thinking. With a clear mind and a focused approach to meditation, the next step is to extend this mindfulness beyond your meditation sessions into everyday life. Mindfulness involves maintaining the same level of awareness you practice during meditation while engaging in daily activities. This might mean consciously paying attention to your breath while walking, noticing the sensations of your feet touching the ground, or fully experiencing the flavors and textures while eating. Start small by choosing one routine activity during which you will be fully present each day. It could be while drinking your morning coffee, taking a shower, or commuting. Focus on every aspect of the moment, the smells, the sounds, and how you feel. This practice helps to reinforce the mental clarity achieved through meditation and makes it more accessible throughout your day. By regularly practicing mindfulness, you create a habit of presence that can dramatically reduce stress and enhance your quality of life. It allows you to appreciate life more fully, react more calmly in stressful situations, and connect more deeply with others. Moreover, it transforms ordinary moments into opportunities for meditation, continuously contributing to mental cleansing and well-being. As you near the end of your meditation session, it's important to gradually transition out of your deep state of relaxation. Begin by slowly bringing your awareness back to the room. Notice the surface you're sitting on, the temperature of the air, and any sounds that surround you. Take a few more deep breaths, and with each exhale, start to move your fingers and toes gently. This helps to awaken your body and marks the conclusion of your practice. Once you feel ready, open your eyes. Spend a moment in silence, appreciating the state of clarity and calmness you've achieved. Reflect on the experience of your meditation, what thoughts came up, how you managed them, and how you feel now compared to before you started. This reflection is crucial as it helps consolidate the benefits of your meditation and reinforces the skills you are developing. With meditation being such a powerful tool for mental clarity, it's beneficial to find ways to extend these benefits throughout your day. After concluding your meditation, set a positive intention or affirmation for the rest of your day. It could be a simple statement like, "Today I choose peace," or "I am present in every moment." This helps align your mindset with your meditation experience and supports a seamless transition into your daily activities. Carrying the calmness and mindfulness from your meditation into your daily interactions can transform your experience of the day. You may find that you are less reactive to stress, more attentive in your relationships, and more focused during tasks. The true value of meditation lies not just in the moments of silence, but in the lasting tranquility it introduces into your life. It's about creating a space for yourself where you can step back from the chaos of daily living and approach each situation with a clear, calm mind. This doesn't mean that challenges won't arise, but rather that you are better equipped to handle them with grace and presence. The journey to a clearer mind is ongoing and requires regular practice. I encourage you to dedicate time each day, even if it's just 10 minutes, to this meditation practice. The regularity of this practice plays a crucial role in its effectiveness, helping to cement the techniques we've discussed into your daily routine. While you continue with your meditation journey, you may find that the duration or techniques that work best for you may evolve. That's perfectly normal. Be open to adjusting your practice as needed, whether it's experimenting with different times of the day, trying various meditation methods, or adjusting the length of your sessions. What's most important is that you stay committed to the practice and continue to make space for these moments of peace in your busy life. I thank you for joining me in this meditation practice today. Your commitment to improving your mental health and clarity is commendable. Keep pushing forward with the assurance that each session is a step toward a clearer, more peaceful mind. Stay consistent, be patient with yourself, and watch as your meditation practice transforms your mind and your life.